Now let's follow through with the example from our previous session where we are paying a payroll tax liability incorrectly. As we try to process this check, QuickBooks even recognizes that we're going to pay it correctly, and it tries to say, hey, wait, you're doing this wrong. But we ignore it and click OK. We put in the $25 and click Save and Close to save the check. Now we come back in and we look at our payroll liabilities again. And we scroll down here and we see that it still shows that we owe $25. But we know we just paid it. The problem is we didn't pay it through payroll liabilities. Let's go correct this. Here on the Employee Navigator, we have a choice for Adjust Liabilities. Let's click here and let's adjust the $25 liability. Date of our adjustment is today, 12/15. This is a company liability. We can also adjust employee liabilities by clicking here and selecting the employee we need to adjust. Here, let's select the health insurance and let's put in negative $25. Next, come over here. Anytime you see this button that says Accounts Affected, click on it because there's some important choices we have to make. Here, it tells us that these amounts will affect payroll liabilities report. That's great. We want to change the payroll liabilities report by the $25. In addition, do we want to affect liability and expense accounts balances? No, we do not, because when we wrote the check to Sargent Insurance, we affected our liability and expense accounts then. So we do not want to affect accounts. We click OK and OK again. Now, let's go into our payroll liabilities one last time, and we can see that that amount is still there. What do we need to do to fix this amount? Let's go back in and look at it again. Let's look at our previous adjustment. Our previous adjustment we dated in December. That's why. We looked at our payroll liabilities in November. So we need to change this date back to November. Now our payroll liabilities report is correct. Click OK, and that's how to adjust payroll liabilities.